Hi again, mga kagaya kong nababagsak sa math. Welcome again to my channel, and this is my final video for this year. In this video, I'm going to review math apps that you can use for self-learning. Why? Because face-to-face classes is hopeless for this coming year. So let's get into it. Okay, so we have here three apps. We have N-Calc, Geogebra, and Photomath. And later, there's a bonus app. It's called Lightroom. Okay, first is N-Calc. So N-Calc is a scientific calculator emulator. You see, as a math teacher, I receive a lot of questions and clarifications through text and through Messenger about my topics. And sometimes I need a calculator to validate my answer. And not all the time I am with my scientific calculator. So good thing we have this app. So this application is natural display, kind of like this. Not like the older models. If you are taking STEM or if you are into math, I recommend you to buy a natural display calculator because I think it's easier to use. Okay. What can this app do? Well, it can do all the things this calculator can do. So we have here modes. You see, there are a lot of modes. You can solve quadratics. You can solve matrices. You can solve even cubic functions, systems of linear equations into variables. So yun, bahala ka nang mag-discover ng mga functions niya. Char. So if you don't have your scientific calculators yet, you can install this app. It's N-Calc. Just search N-Calc in Google. Next app is Geogebra. So Geogebra is a graphing calculator. It can graph any kind of function. You can input here any polynomial function, rational function, exponential, logarithmic, even trigonometric function. So let's see. I'm going to input a quadratic function here. Y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so there you go. It already graphed the function. It is a parabola that opens upward. And here it also highlighted the special points. So we have here the root or the x-intercept as well as the vertex. So the vertex is at -1, 0. And we also have there the y-intercept, which is at 0, 1. So you see, you can input another function. Let's try a linear function this time. We have there the graph in red. So here you can graph any function. GeoGebra is amazing. So that's for a GeoGebra. And next one is Photomath, the most popular application for students today. You just have to point your camera to the equation or inequality and it will solve it for you, and it will, show you the answer as well as the complete step-by-step solution. So let's try one. So this is a logarithmic inequality. Okay, there we go. Okay. We already have the answer, so I can show the solving steps. There you go, with explanations. But you see, the answer here is not familiar to me. I am used to the set builder notation and the interval notation, but this is kind of unfamiliar to me. But here, meron naman yung intervals dito. So we can write this in interval notation. Okay, so my students love using this app. Okay, so I'll just share one of my disappointments as a teacher. Okay, so I give a lot of exercises to my students, and my students, well, since it's modular, it's understandable that they use the internet for help. And some students just copy the solutions from Photomath without even understanding it. So I see a lot of answers written this way. They just copied it straight from this app, and that is not good. Students, don't underestimate yourself. You can do so much better than this app. If you just copy straight from these apps, you're making yourself stupid. I'm sorry. These apps are amazing tools for self-learning, but please use them wisely. Use them to better understand the lesson. Don't be lazy and just copy it. Don't make yourself stupid. I'm sorry. I hope you use those apps wisely. All of these apps are offline, so you can use them without internet. Okay? So you can use them even if you are on travel, kahit na meron ka sa kagubatan or nasa bundok ka or nasa cave ka. Yeah, you can use these apps. And we have here the last app. This is not math related, but I really love this application. It's called Lightroom. It is a photo editing software, and it makes your photos look like it's taken from a professional camera. So in this app, you can adjust the lights, contrast, and everything. But what I like about this app is that you can play with the colors. So in this photo, there's a lot of greens. So I can like adjust the green color. See, you can make it look like it's yellow. I can adjust the saturation. So there, guys, I just want to share this app because it's amazing. So there you have it, guys. I hope this coming year will be better for all of us. I hope it will not get worse. So thank you again, guys, for watching. See you next year. Bye. My camera is running out of storage, so bye.